Investigator Mahsa Saeidi is live with an exclusive interview with the CEO of Citizens.
Stacey Keith, as private companies fail, his state-backed company just keeps getting bigger. CEO Barry Gilway tells me Citizens could hit 1.2 million policies by January. That means they have more than doubled in just 2 years.
Citizens is growing. Why is that a problem?
Our whole objective is to basically hold the exposure down so that we're never in a position to have to assess.
That's essentially a tax or a bill.
That is a tax on Floridians. First, we assess our own policyholders. Then we assess, under an emergency assessment, we can assess the general public. So whether it's an auto policy, a homeowner's policy, et cetera. It's highly unlikely that we're in a position where we have to assess, but it's most definitely a possibility if we have that 1 in 100 storm.
How long can Citizens continue to take on policies? I mean, can you take on 2 million policies?
Well, the more policies you take on, right, the more reinsurance you need. In other words, when we grow, we attempt to place a lot of that exposure offshore.
What does the future look like for homeowners here in Florida?
Short term, it doesn't look good. I mean, the reason people are getting canceled is not because you're a bad homeowner. It's not because you have losses. It's because the insurance companies are exiting the state. The long term looks a lot brighter. I talk to investors probably on a weekly basis, and I tell them, get your certificate of operation in place right now, because by the middle of 2023, we're going to have 1.2 million policies that are available to you.
You're very optimistic. Is there anything that keeps you up at night?
You know, if a major storm hits, a 1 in 75 storm hits, at our current growth, at our current level, there'd be 350,000 claims. And the ability to effectively service our customers when that happens, that could be a nightmare, not just for Citizens, but for the entire state.
Despite the trouble in the short term, you're confident Citizens will hold up?
Oh, Citizens absolutely will hold up.
So how big would a storm have to be for you, the taxpayer, to be on the hook here? Well, Andrew was one of the most destructive storms in U.S. history, and Keith and Stacey, I'm told it would have to be way worse than that.
I guess the policy numbers have almost tripled inside. 1.2 million policies now instead of like 700,000, which was a lot even then. We had a special session. What was his thought about that? Was he in favor of that session? Think it went well?
Yeah, he thinks it's definitely a step in the right direction. He thinks a lot of positive changes were made, but he says he would like to see even more reforms in the next session that starts.
Seems like more needs to be done.